So today I'm with my Telugu granny, Bida Ma, and today Ma, what are we making?
I'm making green beans, my favorite.
Your favorite.
After the oil is hot, now you put your onions and the curry leaves.
Now what you putting in?
Jeera.
Jeera. So
Mix
this
it
is
well.
like 1 tablespoon.
You'll add the tomatoes. Mix it nicely, let it cook into it now. That's how you do it. Must smash it. See? All that. Put the green beans.
And you slice the green beans.
Yes, it's all sliced.
And you
all
washed it?
sliced, I washed it, everything. Just put it in. Leave it a little while, let it cook. Like this, all right?
Okay.
If it's little bit creamy, then I'll have to add some.
Okay.
Mix it nicely. See, now it's ready. So the tomatoes all will be cooked inside. They need little water so it won't hold the pot, that won't get burnt. The beans won't get stuck. Little bit. Add a little bit more. Right. Now, you have to mix it now. Take the thing away. See? Right.
How long does this take to cook?
You're not putting peas inside.
Do you want to put peas? I
You
don't want to
got
put
to.
peas. I
You
do
don't.
have. You want me to put?
If you want to put, you don't. If you don't want it, leave it.
Yeah, let's leave it plain. Just for the green beans to shine.
Yeah.
How long will this cook for?
Well, what does it time? We'll see how it is.
About 15 minutes?
No. What's the time now? It's 10 past. Yeah, about half past maybe.
Okay.
Now it's ready.
Can I put it off?
Yes.
Looks nice.
Okay. What's the time?
It's 6:45. Is this how much you cook for yourself at home?
Yeah. I'll put it in the freezer.
In the freezer?
Oh, not all. Half and half. Half I leave it this side I eat and then I take from that side and I
Is it ready?
should be ready.
Thanks, Mom.
Leave it, my darling.
And there you have it, my granny's famous green beans curry.